Sellers in Anne Arundel County will pay a higher transfer tax for properties sold over $1 million effective July 1st, 2023. It's Friday, June 23rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. This new higher transfer tax increase will affect a majority of homes in Annapolis since many of the homes listed for sale are at or over $1 million. If you are under contract now for a property that will be affected as of July 1st, see if you can settle on June 30th to reduce the unexpected impact. Looks like there are 27 closing in Annapolis that will be affected after July 1st. Meanwhile, inventory in Annapolis for sale rose to 110 properties this week. 40 of those are listed over $1 million. 5 homes came to the market since last report. 22 homes are poised to hit the market as coming soon. 16 homes went under contract and 8 went pending, both up from last report. 30 sold over the past week, selling in just 6 days at 101.3% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Wild Rose Shores for $6 million. Homes available for lease now sit at 18 this week at a median $3,025 per month. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 23rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. I'll see you next week.